A fiber connection lets you hop online thanks to fiber optic cables, which use light signals to send data to and from your computer. Because of the newer technology behind it, fiber internet far surpasses DSL and cable internet in terms of speed and reliability. Still curious? Here's more on how fiber internet works, why it's worth the money, and how to get a fiber connection of your own. Fiber internet uses fiber optic cables instead of copper wires. We mentioned before that fiber internet lets you surf the web thanks to fiber optic cables filled with glass filaments. Those cables send data back and forth thanks to lasers and light signals. But that may be too simple of a definition for the tech-savvy among us, so let's dig in a little more. Fiber optic cable carries light very well over relatively long distances with low attenuation and distortion of the light signal, says Frank Cornett, a retired electrical engineer for Intel. That light signal uses binary to communicate with your computer. The presence of light might indicate a binary 1 and the absence of light would indicate a binary 0. Fiber internet benefits everyone, and it can even come at a reasonable price. Is fiber internet right for you? We say yes. Fiber internet uses a newer technology, and therefore tends to be more reliable and faster. You may not need 1000 megabits per second download speeds, but even if you grab a 100 megabits per second fiber internet plan, you'll likely see fewer outages and overall faster speeds than you would with a 100 megabits per second cable or DSL plan. One other thing fiber internet offers that cable and DSL don't is symmetrical download and upload speeds, meaning your upload speed is the same as your download speed. So if you pay for a 300 megabits per second fiber connection, your upload speed should also be 300 megabits per second. With cable and DSL, upload speeds normally only rev up to an average of 10 to 15 megabits per second. Faster upload speeds are a huge boon to anyone who deals with large files or jumps into a lot of video calls. Fiber internet still isn't widely available, but networks are expanding to new cities. While fiber sounds amazing if you're a lover of all things internet, the reality is it's still not widely available. Right now, fiber is mostly available on the East Coast and in big cities, though there are a few small ISP startups offering fiber elsewhere. Allo in Nebraska and Colorado and Endeavor Communications in Indiana are two that come to mind, and both scored in the top 10 in our fastest ISPs analysis. The best way to find out if these ISPs are worth their salt is to see what real customers have to say and compare performance and pricing.